How to withdraw cash from American Express Platinum Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about withdrawing the cash from the American Express Platinum Card. So let's get started. First of all, you have to be on the American Express website, specifically on the FAQ page that addresses whether you can use a card to withdraw the cash at the ATM. The answer is yes. You can use almost at any ATM that participates in the American Express program, and there are two withdrawal options, that is, Express Cash and Cash Advance. With the Express Cash, you need to enroll, and it allows you to withdraw the cash from the designated bank account at participating ATMs. Cash Advance, on the other hand, lets you withdraw the cash charged to your card account, but only up to your cash advance limit. To withdraw the cash, simply find the participating ATM, insert your card, and enter your PIN. It's as easy as using any other credit card. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.